PGY stock analysis and price predictions for Friday is Pagaya Technologies stock a buy. I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. I'm the only guy in the space doing 43,000 videos over 5 years, so I've seen what's printing, what's not, what's making me money and what's not. And just generally looking at PGY, this is pumping and I quite like that. You know what I mean? Like, that's sick. But what I'm not going to do is randomly start buying like a madman. So with this in mind, I'll just mark up the top. Yes, I'm like in this case, I'm just hoping I see some little pull downs and then a double break shift. Because if I do not see that, then there's just no way I'm looking to buy. Very simple. Boom. All I'm doing here in the meantime is waiting for rules. If you want to get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. Obviously, we'll keep you updated. I'm curious if I have anything here. I do 2 results, that's sick. But other than that, stay tuned. I'll see you in the next one and get the free results first link below.